Hey! Wait up! You were right. Gothenthrob don't just eat meat. They eat bats.
Your colony!
We have to find my colony before Gothenthrob do. They'll all be eaten. It'll all be my fault.
But we don't even know where the fire towers are. Try your sound map again. Did you see anything new? Were there mountains? A river, maybe?
There were these other giant towers that led along a cut line. You know, those places where the humans steal all the trees.
Great. Let's go find it.
Lieutenant Atlas, report.
General Brutus, we have a colony of Greenwings pinned down in the west, but still no sign of the Silverwings.
Then take 2 scouts and survey the eastern perimeter.
Yes, sir.
Oh, and take Orestes with you.
Huh?
But, sir, I...
That's an order.
But, Father, I can't go.
Really? Why?
I'm not finished observing these arachnids.
We're at war, son. Stop acting like a nervous pigeon and do your duty.
But my wing still aches from yesterday's maneuvers.
Oh, for the love of Phoenix. What's next, beak rot?
Father, please.
Fine. Go play with your insects, then.
Sorry. I cannot understand these northern stars. There is no order to their constellations. I am sick of them.
Sick of the stars? Try eating these scrawny mice.
Why not stop?
Because you can't eat just one. Just try. Es imposible.
If you were not my brother-in-law, I would have eaten you a week ago. Then at least one of us would have enough energy to make it back to our beloved jungle.
Yeah, maybe I'll just go get some more mice.
Never mind the mice. Soon you will feast on Silverwings, mi amigo. That little show-off Shay told me about his colony's next stop. Fire towers.
But how will we find them?
Zots helps those who help themselves.
Huh? Ah.
Frida, even the stronger flyers are beginning to tire. We need to roost.
An unknown refuge could spell certain doom. We will have to wait to roost until we get to the fire towers.
Maybe I was wrong.
Huh? Shade! There it is! Let's go!
Help! Help!
Somebody's in trouble! We should check it out!
That sounded like a bird. Yeah, hey! Hang on!
Help! I'm strangling here, please! I've never heard of that in all my life. I'm practically a vegetarian.
Liar!
Shade, grab the other end. If we leave him here, he could die.
So? Who cares? He's an owl.
Nice to see Zephyr's lesson with the pigeon had an impact on you.
Lesson?
You know, never underestimate the power of a kind act, even towards one's enemy. Hey, this is the same kind of net the humans used when they banded me. All we need to do is spread it open.
Are you sure you know what you're doing?
Is he okay?
You again, lawbreaker. I see you've brought your friend. You don't quit, do you?
I didn't do anything, all right? We were trying to help this runty owl.
That runty owl is my son, Orestes.
We stopped to help him. He was caught in a trap.
Enough, Brightwing! You'll soon regret you ever joined up with this pint-sized, owl-killing barbarian!
A barbarian? You burned down Treehaven, and we're not killing owls. Goth and Throb are. They're giant bats from the jungle down south.
Oh, yes, the giant meat-eating bats.
Actually, they're cannibals.
So, now they're cannibals.
If we were owl killers, would we have saved your son?
Father, they did save me.
Quit defending them, boy!
You never listened to me.
Tell me where Frida has your colony stopping next.
I don't know.
Very well. Lock them up!
Yes, sir.
Orestes and I need time to think of the most excruciatingly painful way to loosen their tongues.
If we hadn't saved that owl, this would have never happened.
We did the right thing. If we'd ignored Orestes, he'd be dead, and we'd both feel terrible.
Silverwings. So small, so innocent, so tender. So close.